In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Robux to your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to add Robux to your Roblox account, it's pretty simple. You can see currently I have zero balance. Now to do this, just go and log into your Roblox account, and then on your home interface, you should see this icon here. This is for Robux. Now if you tap on it, it will go ahead and give you a detailed list of Robux that you can buy and the amount for each. For instance, you'll spend $49.99 to buy 4,500 Robux. Go ahead and select the package that you wish. You can also go ahead and choose to subscribe. For instance, you're told if you choose a subscription option, you get 25 more Robux, and for this you'll have to pay $9.99 for 1,000 Robux each and every month. So go ahead and choose the one you wish. For instance, if you go ahead and choose 800 Robux, this will take you to a payment platform that you use for you to make a purchase. So that's how you can buy or add Robux to your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.